Frigidaire refrigerator model FRAE2024AW error codes. This Frigidaire 20cu Fort upright refrigerator prevents warm spots and unwanted freezing and ensures a consistent temperature throughout with the even temp cooling system. The flexible interior organization system enables you to easily organize your family's favorite foods with 4 adjustable, full-width glass shelves, deep bottom basket, and 5 spacious door. Additionally, enjoy the ability to maintain the ideal environment for your refrigerated foods with our audible temperature alarm that alerts you if the door is left open or the refrigerator's error codes. Code: OP in freezer temperature display. Problem: freezer temperature sensor open. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and check wiring connections between the freezer temperature sensor and the electronic control board. Code: SH in freezer temperature display. Problem: freezer temperature sensor shorted. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and disconnect the freezer temperature sensor from its wire harness. Code: OP in refrigerator temperature display. Problem: refrigerator temperature sensor open. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and check wiring connections between the refrigerator temperature sensor and the electronic control board. Code: SH in refrigerator temperature display. Problem: refrigerator temperature sensor shorted. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and disconnect the refrigerator temperature sensor from its wire harness. Code: SCI-EF. Problem: evaporator fan circuit failure. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and check the evaporator fan wire harness connection in the freezer. Code: SCI-CE or SCI-carbon monofluoride. Problem: communications failure between the electronic control board and user interface. Fix: unplug the refrigerator and check the wire harness connections between the user interface and the electronic control board.